Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to design our very own custom daily planner here in Canva. So let's get right on to it. First, we're going to go to the search bar from our homepage and we're going to type in daily planner. And we're going to click on See All to view more templates. Choose whatever template you like. As you can see here, there are lots of beautiful templates, so it's quite difficult to choose. Well, as for me, maybe I'll go with this one. It's quite simple, but it's really cute. So yeah, I'm going to customize this template. Click on Customize this template. We're going to wait for it to load up, so let's do that. Okay, here we are. In case you decide to change your template, you can always do that by going to the templates section over here on the left. It's under the design category. And you can also choose specific things you'd like to use. Say, for example, minimalist. And here you have it. So just input whatever you want to input here and the results will load up. Okay, so we're going to start customizing our template. And actually, when it comes to designing, each one of us has a different method. Each one of us has different steps. My step number 1 could be others' step number 2, or yeah, whatever. It depends on you, whatever you'd like to change first. So when it comes to customizing a design, I usually start by changing the background color first. So I'm going to click on the page and I'm going to choose a color from the color button right here that I'd like to use as today's background. So I think I'm in love with this color, so perhaps I'll stick with that for now. And by the way, if you'd like to use a photo instead, you can go to the element section, type in whatever you want. For example, background. Go to photos and look for some photos that you can use there as your background. Once you find something, say for example this one, click on it, right click, and then replace background from the drop down. And there you have it. But I'm not going to be using that. In case you'd like to use your very own photo as your background, you're going to have to upload it to Canva first. So go to the upload section over here, click on upload files, and then select the file you want to upload, and then click open. And it'll load up here. Once your photo's uploaded, you can drag it or click on it, and then right click, replace background. Just as simple as that. And the next thing I do, I rearrange some elements. So I delete some elements that I don't need. And then I rearrange the elements. So, for example, this one, I'd like to place it in the middle. And I also would like to add another text at the top that says my. So I'm going to duplicate this just to keep the same style and type in my. So we've got that my weekly planner. And I'd also like to change the font. So I'm going to select this text, click on this font selection bar, and choose whatever font I'd like to use. You can also type down specific styles you'd like to look for over here. So as for me, I'm going to try cursive. And here we are. Feel free to choose any font you'd like to use. Perhaps we could turn this one into all uppercase by clicking this button. And there you go. Make this one bigger. Or make this one smaller. Okay, there we have it. We can also change our fonts or our text's color by going here. And if you like, we can also add some effects to our text. So click on this button and choose from whatever effects you'd like to use. You can also choose to curve your text, and you can adjust the intensity of your curve by clicking on this slider button. You can also input values over here. But as for me, I don't want to curve my text, so I'm going to keep it that way. And we're now going to move on to other elements. So these boxes, for example, I'm going to delete this and replace it with another type of box. So we're going to go to the Elements section and type in here box, or type here whatever you're looking for. So I'd like to use kind of like a rectangle with soft edges. This one would do. I'll use this one because I think it's adjustable. So we're going to zoom in to see better. And then we're going to, okay, we're going to properly place our elements. Okay, and we can also change its color. Make sure you click on it so that it's selected, and then go to the color button right here to change your element's color. And there you go. So we're going to do the same thing to the other boxes. First, we're going to delete them. And then we're going to duplicate this first box and place the other box where they should be. We're going to position it properly. Click on position and send it to the back so that we can see our text right here. We're going to make sure that our texts are also aligned as well as our box. We're going to make sure that our boxes are properly aligned. Okay, so now we're going to copy these two by selecting both of them. Control plus C to copy, Control plus V to paste. Then position it where you want it to be. Okay, so now we're going to properly position the texts. Okay, so now it's time to add some designs to our, well, design. We're going to go to the Elements section and type in whatever we want to type over here. So let's try stickers. Go to Graphics. Maybe use other keywords. So perhaps we could make use of these cute animal stickers over here and place them wherever we want to place them. We can also change an element's color. Just make sure that you click on it so that it's selected, and these palettes will appear over here. Click on a certain color that you'd like to change, for example, this one, and adjust its color, just how you like. And in order to flip an element, go to this flip button over here, and you can flip it horizontally or vertically. I'm going to zoom in so that I'll be able to see better. Okay, and basically you can just keep on adding elements until you're happy with your design. Okay, and now we're done. Let's try to see it in full screen mode. And there you go. Once you're happy with your design, you can finally download it by going to the share button above, go to download, select your preferred file type from over here, as well as other download settings. And once everything's all set, you're ready to download your file. So go ahead and click on download. And there you have it. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you found today's video of help somehow. You have a great day!